I just wanted to show, so this is a Honda hs928. I know it's used and abused, but we love it. This thing is destroyed, but we've never serviced it besides like oil changes and different things, and the belt finally snapped after like 20 years. And so I just wanted to show, it's not really complicated to take it off. So you just undo these bolts right here. You just go all the way around. The front pops off, and then you undo these guys right here, and then this belt comes off. And then right here, I undid this right here, this like belt guide, and there's one on this side too, but I took it off and just put the bolts back on so I can clean it out and get to it. So yeah, I'd say it's pretty easy. It is heavy, and I put on my like car rack, and I use the car jack to lift the front of the snowblower and also stabilize it so it doesn't fall forward and kill me. But yeah, wasn't too bad. Hope this is helpful, especially for this Honda. We love this. This thing runs better than the Home Depot one that we bought. Like, it's amazing, the technology in this, even though it's 20 years old, and the reliability. So go Honda. So yeah, just undo all the way around. It's a 12. Here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whole front comes off. You tilt it on its face. I unscrewed these two. Super easy. Also a 12. That one's a 10. And then I also took off the chute, so that way you're not like getting it in your face. So that was pretty easy. So yeah, so hope that's helpful. Honda snowblower hs928.